Okay friends, we are back outside. Welcome. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Veronika. We're back outside, and if we're back outside that means we have a ThredUp box to unbox, and we're not taking those in the house right now because of the so I actually ordered a scrap fabric box from ThredUp. Why? Because I wanted to try it out, and because I have seen some really good unboxings where people got really decent like vintage designer dresses and such. They were just having small flaws or having missing the size tag and such, so I wanted to try it out. So let's see what's in here. It's 10 pounds I believe for $30 plus shipping, so I think I had $36 into this, so I'm curious to see what we're getting. Okay, yes, $30 scrap fabric. All right, and our polka dot paper. No bugs detected so far. Okay, this looks like a pillow. It's something plushy. We have a Secret Treasures size 4 to 6 little plush, kind of like a cardigan jacket. I mean, Secret Treasures I think is Walmart's sleepwear brand, so it looks very, very comfy and cute, but it's not something I would usually pick up to sell. I might still list it because it's cozy, but fortunately it's not my size. Otherwise I would totally keep it because it's fluffy, warm, and purple. This number right here, what are you? Okay, so I don't see a brand or size, and it feels very cheap, which was to be expected, honestly. It is a dress, long sleeve, and it feels like a Shein type of dress, to be honest with y'all. I'm gonna see if there's a care tag. Nope. So that one might be a dud. I will say anything in this box that I don't want to sell, keep, or donate, I might just figure out some crafts with it. I don't know what I will come up with, but if I come up with something, you better be sure I'll make a video about it, so stay tuned for that. Okay, we got an Ava and Viv 4X shirt, long sleeve. Just a basic rib knit shirt with these little accents at the cuffs. This is kind of nice actually. I mean, it's very plain and basic. Ava and Viv is Target's plus size brand, and especially a 4X, those have been selling for me, so hopefully I can sell that. Not for much, but I'll try. Alright, another dress, 2XL, and that's all she wrote. So it has a little tag here, but that usually just indicates it's some cheap brand. And it's another blue dress, but because it has a size, I would probably list that, honestly. It's, again, not something expensive, but I can work with that. It does have a care tag. Yeah, it's just cotton and polyester, so I don't know. Let's see. Zipper in the back. I haven't really looked any of these over for flaws yet. I'm sure there will be some because, you know, it's scrap fabric, so flaws are to be expected. Okay, this could be good. Very delicate. Oh, or not. Size extra large. Kind of embroidered dress, but it's cute. I mean, this I will definitely list. Again, no brand, but if I run this through Google Lens, I might actually be able to find something. I don't see any obvious flaws, but that doesn't mean there are none. So this is embroidered and embellished, and I hope whatever people are doing with their loud devices is not overshadowing my video. Anyway, no other tags, but it's cute. So far I'm not unhappy with it. Oh, this feels like faux leather, which is great because that's one of the fall winter trends. Okay, it's halogen, size large. Oh, it's a dress. Okay, so I don't know why this is in a scrap fabric box, but there might be a massive flaw somewhere that I'm missing. But so far this is pretty comparable to a 25 item mixed clothing box. So it's a faux leather dress, mini dress with pockets, and it's very cute. So it does have some spots up here, but I may be able to fix that. Is it actually faux leather or is it real leather? Halogen could go both ways, I feel like. No, it's real leather. Even better. Okay, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to clean that. But that's probably the best piece so far. Okay, we got a White House Black Market size 4 blouse, top. Not something I would necessarily pick up, but if it's in good shape, I will probably list it. It's just a white blouse. I've heard people have good luck with this brand. I just never pick it up. Okay, this, what is this? Oh, it's pants. Mario Serrani, Italy. No idea, size 4. And they're little ankle pants with a floral pattern. So again, I don't see anything wrong with it. I mean, unless there's a big old stain somewhere that you guys can see and I can't. But it's listable. I don't know how much it would go for, but so far I'm honestly pretty impressed with what I've gotten. I mean, not that it's anything super duper amazing, but given that it is a fabric box, yeah. Okay, this is a Knox Rose, but it has some tape over the label that says $3. Okay, Knox Rose, size large, also sold at Target. Oh, but it's cute. It's cute, fluffy, and warm. So, again, if it doesn't sell, I'll keep it. Not really my style, but I like this. And very seasonal too. I've been listing sweaters and I've been selling sweaters. Okay, this looks like a scarf. Nope. Alright, so this has nothing besides a tiny tag that says it's a size large, but it's just like a handkerchief duster jacket, 3/4 sleeve. Yeah, I'm not gonna list that just because, I mean I could, but it's so basic. Probably won't. Without a brand or anything. Fabric content, but it does have a size, so there's that. Alright, this looks like a nice waffle knit sweater. It's a New Day, Target, size small. Should probably show you the label in case you don't know it, but I think most of us probably know our Target labels. Again, if it's in good shape and has no flaws, that's gonna get listed. I just listed 2 Target sweaters that I got in my 100-pound box, I think, and they've been getting a lot of attention, so people love Target. Okay, this is a Dress Barn without a size blazer, little short blazer. See, but this is an interesting fabric where I would say, okay, there might be something that I could do with that, like upcycle it, craft with it. I don't know. Just wait for that content. Okay, I don't see any bugs, so that's good. We're still gonna keep her outside. Okay, last item is also a size large, but no brand, so that's probably why it's in here. But a cute little top with this crochet lace sleeve. Just very lightweight. I might list that just based on style. We'll see. Polyester and cotton, yeah, probably again like a Shein type of thing. But yeah, so I'm gonna count real quick how many pieces I had. So again, 10 pounds, I didn't weigh it, but you know, it's a good amount of items, so let's count. Alright, so I got 13 items, which, let's do the math. I think that's $3 per item, if my math is right. Yeah, so it's $2.76, 77 cents per item. Again, a lot of these I will not list, or some of these I will not list, but there is actually a surprisingly good amount that I will list, and I think I can definitely make my money back and then probably a small profit. So I'm fairly happy with this box. Would I buy it again? Maybe. I mean, I'm not super crazy excited for anything, but there were a few good pieces in there that I think will definitely sell and will definitely move. Probably not for a ton, but interesting box to try out. And if you're into upcycling and crafting and such, I think it's also a really good box, because then you can always use those fabrics for that and sell whatever you feel like selling. So scrap fabric box, not a bad deal. I do have another box coming tomorrow. It's going to be another activewear box, so you will see that unboxing soon. I'm going to try to do it outside as well because, you know, trying to be careful with ThredUp these days. This box came from Arizona, so is the activewear box. It's also coming from Arizona, and I believe the Georgia warehouse is the one that's been having problems, so we'll see. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever gotten this particular box and what your experience was, and I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and bis bald. Cheers!